Hi, welcome back to my studio. I just want to mention that I've just completed this painting, and I've decided to put the painting up for a competition, basically a giveaway that I'm offering to you to take part. You'll find the details below this video, and very easy, just click on through and join in, and you can also increase the chances of winning this painting by sharing this competition. There's various options you can use, and on the 15th of August 2018 I'll be announcing the winner. I hope you have some fun with this competition, and maybe you can have a brand new oil painting delivered to you soon.